Okay, guys, this is just a little bit more about the process of finishing your work. When you get down to using our thicker paper, which is cardstock, and I think it's an A3 size of paper, so you can do many different compositions on there, and if you mess up, we have plenty of paper for you to fix that. So I just did another example here where I've taken this design, You or Me, and I've done our white space where I've given this a unit, measured it out, and actually measured it from the side of the paper, which is probably a process you want to employ. The reason why I measured from the side of the paper is because I'm trusting that this edge is square or 90 degrees. All right, I'm trusting that this is square, 90 degrees, and I can just measure out from there. Now, another process I want you to keep in mind is that when you first sketch this out, I probably wouldn't even sketch this harsh of a line for my guidelines. I would probably make just dots or dashes. I would keep all my pencil lines very light. I would then go over my final words or letters with a fine liner pen, and I'll show you one of those in a minute. And then finally erase my pencil. Now this liner pen, which is similar to the ones that you're going to be using, this is a Pigma Micron 01. It's archival ink, which means it doesn't fade. And this 01 looks like this. And look how tiny that point is. Now, 01 and 02 are my favorite sizes. This is 01. Let's see what that looks like. 01 micron. Pretty small. So I could go along and do my type with this or an 02, and I would be pretty good as far as line weight goes. All of these numbers, the higher you go, the wider the pen. And we'll explore these more next week. But that's how we'll ink our work with these liner pens. Let's see what else we have. Remember that whatever we're doing, this class is all about play. And this mini project of faux calligraphy is all about play with words. So if you can remember this, it's easier for you to have fun. I did a couple of more examples the other night, and one of my favorite ways of working, if you're having trouble at all, one of my favorite ways of working is to listen to song lyrics of some of my favorite songs and pick out phrases. So one of my favorite songs I'm listening to right now is called Corner Shop by the Arctic Monkeys. And there's a lyric in there that says, "Close enough to be your ghost." And I've always loved that phrase and sentence structure. And it provides good visuals as well in your mind. And then one of my favorite songs is Sometimes by The Strokes. And I think this starts off the song, "In many ways, they'll miss the good old days." Nice rhyming there going on. And then another one, "Look Out, Here Comes Tomorrow," which is sung by the Monkees. One of my favorite songs, and actually that's the song title. Let's see. So if nothing else, if you can get some inspiration from either song lyrics. Another thing I like to do is watch TV shows and pick out funny lyrics because the shows I usually watch are pretty funny. So that's a couple of more inspiring ways to get some good ideas. If we have a chance, we'll do more of these, and in fact grow this project into more than it is, and learn how to break some rules. So keep working, have fun, and take care, guys.